In today's video, we're going to talk about my top 9 income streams for 6 figures monthly coming up. What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs. Welcome to another video. Listen, in today's video, I want to share with you how most people who make a lot of money have multiple streams of income. You know, there's a saying that most millionaires have at least 7 streams of income. And that rings true with just about everybody that I know. You want to diversify your streams of income in order to be able to maximize your profit potential. Think about it like this. If one business is slow or one investment is slow, you still have other streams of income that can take care of your responsibilities every single month. Having multiple streams of income is literally the catalyst to being able to live that true and free lifestyle that you really want. So what I'm gonna do today is just share with you, how I use real estate investing as my main source of income, but how I was able to spin real estate investing into other aspects of business, other streams of income over the years as well. And you don't necessarily need to stick to one stream of income. Me, I chose real estate, and I use multiple facets of the real estate business to be able to create other sources of income. You don't necessarily need to do that. Let me give you an example. Recently, I decided that I wanted to start a trucking company that has absolutely nothing to do with real estate. Back in 2016, 2017, I was into buying Bitcoin and investing my money into that stuff and cryptocurrencies. That has nothing to do with real estate. I was thinking about recently opening up a barbershop. I don't know if you know, but years ago, I used to work in a barbershop. It's something that I just enjoy doing. Not a lot of money in it, but it's something that will allow me to have another stream of income. And also it will allow me to just do something else with my time outside of the real estate business. So this is just, different things that you want to keep in mind as you're making money in real estate. Start thinking about where you could put your money or what else you can do to create some type of income for yourself. So again, today I'm going to share with you my top 9 sources of income for 6 figures monthly. So what I'm going to do is break up these top 9 sources of income into different categories. We're going to use 4 different categories. The first one is real estate. The second one is intellectual property. The third one is services. And then the fourth one is social media. Let's talk about real estate. Now be mindful, I've done a lot of things over 20 years of being in the business, from new construction to rehabbing hundreds of houses. I've done everything from commercial and just about every facet of the real estate business I've been involved in. But what makes me happy and what fits my personal lifestyle is wholesaling and creative real estate investing, period. Wholesaling allows me to build up quick capital, and it doesn't require a lot of my time. And creative investing allows me to not only get those wholesale-like checks, but I can also make money every month passively, and I can also make back-end profits. So I really get the best of all worlds with these 2 strategies. Generally, when I'm wholesaling real estate, I'm getting fast money. And when I'm doing creative investing, I'm really building that rental income. So that's money that I don't have to work for. There's 2 types of income. You have active income and you have passive income. And it's, in my honest opinion, that you need both. All right. You need the active income that will allow you to support the passive income. So that covers the first category, right? We have real estate. That's one way that you can go out there and create a stream of income for yourself. And on this channel right here, I have over 200 videos and counting every single week where I show you the ins and outs of how real estate investing actually works. So under real estate, you have wholesaling, you have rental properties, and those are the top 2 ways that I personally make money. But then we also make money through intellectual properties. Now, what's intellectual properties? An example of that would be an email list, home study courses, software, things like that, which are generally digital based, would be considered intellectual property, right? So if I go out and write a book today, that's considered to be intellectual property. So how do I use intellectual property in order to make money? Well, since 2006, I've been educating a lot of investors on how to get started investing in real estate. Now you see how that can be a spin-off of real estate investing. I actively do deals, and then I show investors how to do deals. That's a spin-off of my real estate investing business. So I built up a database of email subscribers, newsletter subscribers that we reach out to on a daily basis, and we provide them with a lot of value, kind of like these YouTube videos. We provide them with a lot of content, and occasionally we'll provide them with an offer. When we provide them with an offer, chances are a good portion of them will invest into that offer, and we make money, whether it's our product or an affiliate product. Email marketing is another great way that we make a lot of money on a monthly basis. And it's all literally at the push of a button. We literally set up an email, press send, and the money will roll in. Another way we make money through the intellectual property category is through course sales. And if you didn't know, I have something called the Real Estate Investing Education Academy, where I provide the newest home study courses, all bundled up into one. If you want to check that out, you can check it out in the description box below. We provide educational services through the Real Estate Investing Education Academy, which I've been doing since 2006 again. And in addition to education services, we provide software services. Think about the fact that they're all still within the real estate category, but these are subcategories that I'm making money from. We've already talked about that. So I've given you 5 ways so far. If you're enjoying this video up to this point, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell if you haven't already, leave a comment, and also share this video with all your friends so that they can benefit from it as well. Let's jump back into the content. So the third category that we're gonna talk about now are services. We have coaching programs and mastermind services as well. Now, obviously, these can go one and the same pretty much. A coaching student can be a part of the mastermind as well. But this is just a higher level of education and interaction with other investors looking to take their business to the next level. In addition to that, we have a funnel building business. So some of our students, they go on and they want to become educators as well. Guess what we have? We have something called a funnel builder service or a webinar service where we'll help them become educators. Again, it's all tied in to my real estate business. We also have virtual assistant services and skip tracing services, which can be tied into our software as well. We've gone over the real estate and what we do there. We've gone over the intellectual property, and we've also gone over the services portion of my income streams. Finally, I want to talk about social media. That's where YouTube comes into play. So I make money from YouTube as well. Right now, my channel is still kind of small, and obviously it's going to continue to grow. As of right now, we're just shy of 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this in 2 or 3 years from now, maybe I have hundreds of thousands of subscribers at that point. But YouTube is a profit center. It's not profitable right now. We spend money creating these videos and things like that. But YouTube will pay you on ad revenue. So every time you watch a commercial or some type of ad pops up on my videos, YouTube will pay us a small amount for allowing us to play ads on our videos. But you know what's more important than ad revenue when it comes to YouTube? It allows you to provide value to people, which will in turn help you to continue building your audience. And your audience, once you take them off of the YouTube platform, you ultimately build that email list, again, tying into that database, right? And ultimately allows you to sell more of your services or continue providing more value to people. So those are my top 9 income streams that we use in order to create 6 figures monthly. And at the end of the day, anybody watching this video right now, if you just use your creative brain, you can create multiple streams of income for yourself as well. It's not hard. You know, people overcomplicate what they can potentially do in business, and they focus on one thing when really you need to focus on multiple things, one at a time, in order to make money. So build up one thing, then add something else. Then continue doing that over the years, and you'll be fine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.